I haven't posted any videos lately, and that's because of this COVID-19 thing. But don't worry, I'm still here. I've just made this garden bed, so I've got the video ready to post for that. And I'm going to reinforce the doors of my shed, fortify them. I've got the bits and pieces to do that, so that'll be a video up and coming. And pre-COVID-19, I had a couple of videos in the works. I restored this antique plane, and that'll be a video that I'll be posting soon. And I also bought a new lathe, or an old lathe, had to repair it and do some maintenance to it, and that'll be a couple of good little videos. So if you're interested in old tool restoration videos, making handles for old tools, there's lots of content like that on board. If you're thinking about subscribing, it'll really help me out. Just think of it as a way to find my videos later on. In this video, I'm going to restore these two pickaxes. 3 1/4 pound, Japan. From this to this. From this to this. From this to this. From this to this.